Here we have a 2009 Suzuki Carry mini truck. The Suzuki Carries have the forward wheel design. Wheel is all the way to the front of the truck, in front of the door, longer wheelbase. This one's been set up with our 2-inch lift, upgraded front springs, 8-ply 23-inch tires and wheels. Here's the interior of this one. This is the 5-speed model. 5-speed manual transmission with 4-wheel drive, high and low range transfer case. So you can run it in 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. Heat, air conditioning, and defrost standard. Very clean interior. The sides and tailgate fold down on all of the mini trucks. Makes it convenient for loading and unloading material. You can also very quickly remove all 3 sides and run it as a flatbed. Be sure to visit www.usminitrucksales.com to see all of our inventory.